Jeffrey. We just filmed a music video
for Felice's new single, Drunk Weather. And it was amazing.
It was amazing. I almost fell right now. So,
Felice brought me in because I'm her good homie, of course, and asked me if I wanted to come in and do the hair, the makeup, and quite a bit of the wardrobe styling.
I asked him to do everything.
Hashtag Jeffrey does everything. It was really, really exciting for me to get to work on this project with her and Sleep because I really had creative control and freedom, and they trusted my vision, and that is always the best work environment to be in, is when somebody knows that you're only gonna make them look as bomb as humanly possible. And so a big thing for us with Drunk Weather, because the video, if you have not watched it, check it out now on YouTube.
Could miss it.
The video was shot at home. The whole thing is about just like hanging out with your gal pals and like having a good time in drunk weather, drinking, smoking, straight West Coastin'. And so we didn't want any of the hair or the makeup to be overpowering. We didn't want it to like take over the impact of the vocals, which is my favorite part of the whole thing. I mean, you're beautiful, but like, damn, her vocals. I just can't. And so what we really wanted to do was build the looks as the video shoot went on. We wanted each look to kind of have its own special moment, and then when we switch scenes, go to something that was a little more glam, a little more winged out, a little more blown out. And so for makeup, it was all about, you guys will see in the video with the lighting, we just wanted something super glowy, super dewy, super like reflective and like poppin'. And so we went with beautiful glitter on the eye. We went with this amazing artist couture highlight just in the high points of Felice's face and the girls in the video as well, to make sure that they had that dewy reflective glow.
Like we woke up that way.
I woke up like this.
They didn't, Jeffrey did it.
No, Jeffrey did it.
But so for us, it was really about utilizing Felice's natural beauty, but just enhancing it in the right places, in the right spots. And so we started with a really simple eye, pinks and purples. We wanted to really smoke it out, but not go anything too dramatic. No blacks, no heavy liner or anything. But then as the day progressed on, we started to, you know, buff a little shadow under the eyes. We took the cat eye out a little bit further, deepened up the crease, and just continued to layer more and more glitter and highlight so she could just be, you know, shining bright like a diamond.
Bright like a diamond. I'm not gonna sing it. But that is actually a big tip too for filming a music video. Go from light to dark makeup wise, especially if you are on a time crunch. That's why we did it that way, actually.
Yeah. In our pre-production meeting, we decided how we were gonna lay out the scenes and the looks so we could start natural and build and build and build from there. Because if you start your first scene out like high glam, smoky eye, there's no going back from there. You're just giving yourself as an artist more work to do. And for me, I wanted it to be easy, breezy, beautiful, fun. Felice is my girl. And so we really started out simple, natural glam and just kept building on that shadow. We used all Makeup Geek shadows, which were a beautiful foiled pigments, beautiful foiled shadows. Everything needed to be reflective in the lighting. And so that's what we did. And
it glowed.
So happy.
It glowed so much.
Glowing from the inside out. Radiant beauty. Yes, come through.
You guys didn't know, but Jeffrey does makeup. He does it all. He does everything. Jeffrey does it all.
Boop, boop. That's my new theme song. The other thing that was really fun with the makeup in the video was that we kind of kept all the girls in the same vibe. Obviously, Felice had to be the shining star of it, but by doing that, nobody looked too flat. Nobody looked like they were made up, especially because going with such a natural glam, you can appear flat, you can appear, your skin can be dry, or you can just kind of melt into one color. And so really doing that like nice highlight, everybody loves a good highlight right now, and I'm normally like less is more with the highlight, but in this situation and the lighting we went with, Sleep killed it with the whole video, but like...
Sleep directed the video, because Sleep also does everything.
I was gonna say hashtag Sleep does everything as well. I mean...
He produced the music, he produced the video.
We are team everything, in case you were wondering.
Everything.
Book us for your next gig. It doesn't matter what the gig is, because we literally do everything.
Yeah, pretty much.
She got our theme song ready to go.
I gotta go.
It's gonna be on the answering machine you call. It's gonna be like, they do everything.
Oh, everything, yeah. There we go. I messed it up.
I didn't. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please go check out the Drunk Weather video. Like, subscribe, comment.
Or over here.
Leave us a thumbs up. I guess that's the same thing as liking.
Yeah, it's different on YouTube.
Yeah, click on the bell. I don't know where the bell is, but
Somewhere
ding,
down here.
there's a bell somewhere.